my nears and dears of 11th class students. Today we are going to have another important topic from the examination point of view, that is social institutions. That is social institutions. And in the social institutions, we are going to read and touch to the subtopic that is called kinship. This is very important from examination point of view, kinship. Kin. First of all, we will try to know what does the kin means. Kin, my dear students, is an English word, and it has been derived from the word cyn, cyn, cyn. Cyn, cyn, cyn. This cyn means relatives. So we can say in this kinship, all those relatives are coming which are by blood or which are made by marriage. We can say that all these relatives are included in this kinship. We will try to know what does the kinship means first. In simple words, on all the sociologists and anthropologists all of the view that kinship system is that collection of rules which regulate the nomenclature, fairness, heritage, marriage, extramarital relations, place of living, and determine the status of a person in any specific society or in group from point of view of blood relations and marital relations of marriage. It clarifies that all those relations are coming in this kinship which are made by blood or which are made by marriage. We will go some definitions to make you better understand. Some definitions which are given by sociologists, eminent sociologists, renowned sociologists about the kinship. As when you are going to define something, I have told you that please give some definitions so that it will enrich your topic. As per kinship, according to Levi-Strauss, that kinship is an arbitrary system of ideas. Idea. According to Levi-Strauss, kinship is an arbitrary system of idea. According to Radcliffe Brown, all those relations which come which come as a result or made because of family and marriage, or the part of kinship, There are so many differences given by the different sociologists about this. You can go through your references and read more and more about this, about your kinship. Now what we will see what are the, according to Red, Kelly, Brown, all those relations which come as a result are made because of family, linkage with the family, and marriage or the part of kinship. Now we will see what are the significance of this kinship. Why this significance is important? What are the importances of kinship? Importance of kinship or significance of importances of kinship or significance significances of kinship. Why this kinship is important? First of all, we will write here kinship system has an important place in the social structure. Without kinship, society cannot be formed. This is one of the important points. Significance of this kinship is that it has a place in the social structure. Social structure is formed. Social structure is built. Social structure is built by dint of this kinship. And without kinship, society cannot be formed. Number second point, the important point is that with the help of kinship, we can determine that who will marry with whom, and which name will be given to which relation, and which name will be given to relation. This only kinship which determines us to whom we are going to marry, we can determine that who will marry with whom, and our marriage system is built only by this kinship system. The second point, the third point, the third significance, the third important point relating to kinship is that it gives us mental stability. Kinship system gives mental stability to a person or individual. Fourth, kinship system gives strength to society. 5. Kinship system determines the sexual relationship. Kinship system determines the sexual relations. 6th, kinship system plays important role in determining of marriage. Plays an important role in determining the marriage. In short, we can say that kinship plays a very important role in our society, in our day-to-day life. It binds the society, it forms the social structure, and these were the significance, important points which gives the importance of kinship. Now we will see what are the categorization of kinship. Categorization of kinship. We have categorization of categories of kinship. Number one is there we have a primary kinship. Number sec we have secondary kinship. And third is we have tertiary kinship. Tertiary kinship. Primary kinship in a nuclear family, we have very close kinship. We have face-to-face contacts, eye contacts, very primary contacts. That's called primary kinship. In this primary kinship, mother, father, brother, sisters are coming. And secondary kinship is that kinship which is built by medium of this kinship. This is made by this secondary kinship. And tertiary kinship refers to the kinship of our primary kinship. That means sister's husband. Where we are in Kashmir, we are using tur like this. And we have here another, that is a final kinship and consanguineous kinship. A final kinship a final kinship and consanguineous we will try to know what does a final kinship means. A final kinship is all those relations which are coming, which are built, said, are called a final kinship. A final kinship, that means it is based on marital or sexual relations relations of husband and wife. You know, after marriage, the wife of somebody is called baby, or we can say it is called baby, wife, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, and these relations are the relations which are coming by dint of marriage is called a final kinship. And we have consanguineous kinship. Consanguineous kinship refers to by blood relations, where we have blood relations with each other. Concern. The consanguineous are related through blood. The relations which are based by blood, the bond between parents and their children is consanguineous kinship. You try to understand a final and consanguineous. This is made by marriage. As you know that whenever somebody married with somebody, this is not the marriage of two persons, male and female, husband and wife, but it is a relation. Someone builds a relation with the whole of his family, with the whole of his wife's family, with the whole of his husband's family, and this is called a final kinship. And this consanguineous kinship is related to very blood, where we have very blood relation, where we have very close relations, and this is all for our kinship system. We will go more and more about this chapter in the coming lectures, in the coming days. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.